Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is on your time frame. I wish you had a great day and everything is working fine for you. In my last video we talked about a recession, how it works and how you can actually use that to make a fortune. And one question that kept on coming back to me was how can I actually save money in a recession? So a recession by itself is a difficult time for many people, and you have to understand that the economy is slowing down in a recession. Unemployment rates are going to rise, therefore it's going to be very tough for many people. However, with the right mindset and strategies, you can actually keep your finances secured and grow your savings even in tough times. Here are a few tips to help you save money in a recession. First, you have to create a budget. So one of the most important things you can do to save money is to create a budget in a recession. This will help you keep track of your spending and identify areas where you can actually cut back. Next, you have to reduce your expenses. So look at what you have been buying so far, right? Look at all of those, look at your budget, look at your expenses, and then you can see where you can actually cut back on, certain items. These might be items like dining out or entertainment, like go to the movies every single week, or actually unused memberships. So if you have a gym membership you haven't used in the past 3 or 5 months, that is not of use, so you can cut back on that membership. Next, you have to think about shopping smart. That is, instead of just buying items in any single shop, you have to make sure you are getting the best possible deals on anything you buy. Use coupons, compare prices, and take advantage of, sales and clearance events. Let's say you are used to doing groceries in a certain store. It might be a good idea for you to actually look at, compare prices between the shop. In some shops, maybe the price of meat might be cheaper than some other shops. So compare those prices and decide on which grocery store actually works best for you for those specific prices. Next, you have to avoid debt in a recession. In a recession, it's even more important to avoid taking on debt. If you already have a debt, like your credit card is already being used, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Lastly, you have to invest in your future. So consider starting a side hustle or investing in a long-term saving plan, such as a TFSA, that is your tax-free savings account, or an RRSP, that's your retirement saving plan. This will give you a secure financial foundation for the future. So by following these tips, you can protect your finances and save money, even in a recession. Remember, small changes add up. So start taking action today. Those actions you might do might not look very significant, but they all add up. So cutting on expenses here and there can actually add up, to actually free up a huge chunk of money. As usual, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. And if you found it interesting, give it a like and subscribe down below to watch more content like this one. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.